Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Thanks so much for joining me. Today is December 7th, which is National Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day. So December 7th, 1941, Pearl Harbor in Honolulu, Hawaii was attacked by the Japanese. And so now there is a Remembrance Day on December 7th. So I wanted to celebrate that. I have been so fortunate to go to the Pearl Harbor Memorial in Honolulu. It is amazing with so much history. So today I wanted to do a Hawaiian recipe and just to kind of celebrate Pearl Harbor Day and the remembrance of it. So I'm gonna do some Hawaiian meatballs in my crock pot. And of course, I'm gonna make it keto friendly. So I have meatballs. I'm gonna use liquid aminos. I have some golden brown sugar, some brown sugar monk fruit, some pineapple, some bell peppers. So that'll be my Hawaiian recipe to celebrate Pearl Harbor Day. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of history. I wrote it all down so that I don't forget anything. But National Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day is also referred to Pearl Harbor Remembrance Day, Pearl Harbor Day, and it is observed annually in the United States on December 7th. And so to remember and honor, there was 2,403 lives lost that day. They were all Americans who were killed in the Japanese surprise attack on Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. So this led to the United States declaring war on Japan the following day, and then we entered into World War II. So on Pearl Harbor Day, the American flag is flown at half-staff until sunset, and that's to honor those who died as a result of the attack on the U.S. military forces in Hawaii. So on December 7th, 1941, the Japanese Navy Air Force attacked the United States at the naval station in Pearl Harbor near Honolulu, Hawaii, killing 2,403 Americans and injuring as well 1,178 Americans. The attack sank 4 U.S. Navy battleships, damaged 4 others. It also damaged 3 cruiser ships and 3 destroyers. Aircraft's loss were 188 that were destroyed and 159 damaged. So much damage done during this attack. It was crazy. So the aftermath of the attack, Canada declared war on Japan within hours of Japan with the attack, and the Western nations to do so. On December 8th, the following day, the United States declared war on Japan and entered into World War II. So like I said, I have been so fortunate to go to the memorial in Hawaii. So great. They have a visitor center with videos and all kinds of pictures and all the history of Pearl Harbor. They have the Pearl Harbor, the Arizona Memorial, where they have buried people in the memorial that have passed due to the attacks on Pearl Harbor. And there's a battleship, which is really, really cool. My gosh, they are so huge. It's really neat to see an actual battleship that has been used in war. So it's basically retired there, and you get to go in, check out the whole ship. Really, really neat. So I definitely recommend, if you're in Honolulu, go check out the Pearl Harbor, just all the exhibits and everything. So much history. And so I just wanted to do this video today to celebrate that history of Pearl Harbor and the Day of Remembrance for the attacks on Pearl Harbor. There's also a movie, I don't know if you guys have seen it. It's a little old. It was made in 2001, but called Pearl Harbor. It is a really good movie, great cast, Ben Affleck, Josh Hartnett, Kate Beckinsale, Cuba Gooding Jr., so many really great actors and actresses, and really great story, and just wonderful movie to see, and gives a lot of the history of Pearl Harbor. So that is my little history lesson for the day, my little spiel, and we are going to be celebrating Pearl Harbor Day with this awesome Hawaiian meatball recipe. I will put the recipe in the description box. If you're new to my channel, I am doing a video every day of December for VLOGMAS. So check back each day. I'll be posting something fun for the month of December to celebrate the holidays. So thanks so much for stopping by and for joining me. I'm gonna get this meal, we're gonna have it for dinner tonight to celebrate Pearl Harbor Day, but I'm gonna get it going, cooking in the crock pot, and we'll have this for dinner. We'll have the meatballs with a side of rice, but I'll show you all that as we go and as I cook it. So check the description box, like I said, for the recipe. That will be in there. Hope you all are having a great day, and check out this recipe. I have my crock pot, and I'm going to pour in my frozen meatballs. So I'm going to use about half of this bag, but you can kind of however what size serving you want. And then I have a green bell pepper and a red bell pepper. I'm going to add that in, and then I have my pineapple chunks. I'm going to drain the juice out, and then I'm just going to use the chunks. And then I'm going to add in, I have my brown monk fruit. So I have a half a cup of brown monk fruit. I'm just going to put that all over the top. And then I'm going to add in my liquid aminos. You can use regular soy sauce if you'd like, but I have 3/4 cup of that. And so I'm just going to kind of give everything a little stir, and then I'm going to cook this all day. I'm going to run off and do some activities, and then we will have this ready to go for dinner for Pearl Harbor Day. So this is really great served with a side of rice or a side of cauliflower rice, and it's just a really great dinner. So it's in my crock pot, and I'm going to cook it on low since I'm going to be gone for most of the day, and then dinner is ready. I hope that you have a really great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.